This is the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, tougher, more powerful, and smarter than ever. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro exterior walk-around, bold new design cues set it apart, a chunky grille, functional hood scoop, underbody skid plates, and aggressive TRD bodywork. Sitting on 33-inch all-terrain tires over a raised stance, this truck looks trail-ready. Exclusive new paint like Wavemaker Blue ensures your presence is known. 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro powertrain and performance. Meet the iForce Max Hybrid, a 2.4L turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor. Together, they put down 326 horsepower and a stout 465 lb-ft of torque. That earns a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in about 7.1 seconds, yet fuel economy still hits around 22 to 24 miles per gallon. The suspension and off-road hardware. The TRD Pro sits higher, with Fox 2.5-inch QS3 shocks, red forged control arms, a locking rear differential, and underbody armor. It blends canyon road agility with trail-ready capability. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro interior and tech features. Inside, tech meets durability. A 14-inch touchscreen and digital gauge cluster lead the cockpit. Off-road tools like crawl control, multi-terrain select, and trail cameras guide the way. JBL speakers, power outlets, and auxiliary switch ports add functionality. The safety and capability. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard, featuring adaptive cruise, pre-collision alerts, lane tracing, and more. Towing capability peaks at 6,000 pounds with payloads around 1,680 pounds. The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro isn't just a rugged truck, it's a refined hybrid trail machine ready for bold adventures.